Text links are a great way to direct visitors to other sites, files, or not linked pages on your site. Additionally, text links can be used to open a new email draft or start a phone call if your site is being viewed from a mobile device. To add a text link, start by adding a text block. From here, type the text that you would like to link and highlight it. Next, select the link icon to bring up the text link menu. Here you can either enter the URL directly and select Apply, or you can select the gear icon for more options. This allows you to select a page on your site to link to, enter an email address, phone number, or upload a file. Text links can be added anywhere on your site where the link icon is available. Take a look at our guide for more ways to customize your links, and please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.